Hello, welcome to PointFire 365. This is a quick start video. Before you start, you should add PointFire 365, add the add-in to your site, and there are a couple of steps after that. If you haven't already, pause this video, I'll wait. So if you're installing it for the first time and you have gone to the PointFire 365 screen, then the first thing you'll want to do is set the license. So the license button is helpfully highlighted here. I'll click on it and then I'll click on apply license. By default, it's going to come up with this license key called 30-day trial. That will give you a 30-day trial. Let's apply this license and then continue. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do now is activate the software on your site. So activating is essentially just a matter of checking which languages you want to have, and I'll select French, I'll select Arabic. We will continue. So it's going to do a couple of things and add it, and there we go. This is all there is to it. By the way, the license key, you only need to do that once per site collection. Once it's there, it applies to all sites in that site collection. Okay, so let's go back to the site. We will go to the site content. By the way, one of the things which I highly recommend is install PointFire Translator at this point. It's available in the Office Store. It may already be in your organization's app catalog. The two work together. The nice thing about having PointFire 365 and PointFire Translator is that you don't have to configure PointFire Translator. If you already have PointFire 365, it's going to do it for you, set all the languages and all of that sort of thing. Okay, so how do you know that it's been installed? I'll just go through a quick list of the menu items. You will have a language drop down that will allow you to change your language. When you are creating pages, you will have, I'll create a page. I will put a web part on it. Insert web part. Any web part really, it doesn't matter which one. Let's make it a content editor web part. Those are always popular. And you will see in the menu that there is the option to display a web part in one language or another. In every list, in every list, every library, you will also have the ability to see multilingual library settings, multilingual list settings. So that's pretty well the overview. There's another video that goes through the functionality in more detail.